Ano yung manguwag? Hold on, kita niyo kung tayo.
We gotta get out of here.
Ang cute na lubot sa akong bana. Nga pagkaya akong lubot, na. Ala. Ginawa sa liya. Good morning! I guess my husband doesn't wear this. I can wear this if you... This is small for you? Or big? Huh?
It's too hot.
Okay. I like this color, Bibo. I like it. It's Spalding. Spalding? Good morning, Bibi. I'm going upstairs to get some. I'm going to feed the animals soon. So you think it's ready to feed the animals? Son? You think it's ready to feed the animals? But they don't eat their food. That means I'll give you your food, Rox and Misty. The same thing. Oh, umulan kagabi. I think it's still raining. Nakikita ko ito. Oh, basa. Guys, today is... What is today? Today is Tuesday. So, alis sila mamaya, guys. Oh my goodness. Naloka ako sa'yo, Hubs. Where are they? Hi guys, yung breakfast ko guys is very Filipino. Rice, and then sa taas is yung egg, and then chayote. And it smells really good. Smells really good. And then coffee. Nanonood lang ako ng mga videos guys. And I just made Tommy like a rye bread toasted, and then on top of it it's a scrambled egg with cheese. Kumain na siya kasi nagluluto pa ako ng kanin ko. And it's hindi naman maganda kung kainin kapag maginaw, diba?
Few hours later. Humpty Bug is with me.
Do you wanna see the bug? He's in the bathroom. Hi! Hi! Nakita niyo, guys? Ay, naku! Nanguwag na pong iring! Ang iring, diba? Kapag yung pusa manguwag, alam niyo yung sa Tagalog, yung ano yung manguwag? Hold on. Kita niyo kung tayo. Ano sa Tagalog yung manguwag? Yung... Iwan ko basta, ano na lang yung manguwag in Tagalog. Kapag yung iring, kapag yung pusa manguwag, ang ingay, diba? Ang ingay, sobrang ingay. Buti na lang yung tao, hindi ganyan pag manguwag. Pahipi lang ang tao, pahipi. Pero dito, gauwag na. Oh, the bed is okay na. It's not really lumpy because Tommy fixed it last night. Inayos ko. Oh, meron pala akong hanapin yung panghawak ng cellphone sa car, 'di ba? Yung kasi meron naman ako doon pero iba yung nakatagilid at saka talagang stand up like straight siya. 'Di ba yung you remember that camera holder sa sasakyan? So ito yun. I think kasama ito siya. Para ito sa cellphone, ito siya. So pwede niyo siyang itagilid, pwede niyo i-stand up, tagilid, stand up. So ito siya, i-ano lang. I asked Tommy to go out, even though it's really crazy windy. I kind of nervous now to see the wind, just like the tree is like falling. The tree is going down like crazy. Now I'm nervous to go. So I'm just going to film, even though it's kind of scary, windy. But I bring another camera with me that, you know, it won't. Ah, okay. You want me to open the garage?
You're putting the phone away like that. I got nothing to do here.
Huh?
I'm putting the phone away like
What? Like what?
I got nothing to worry about here.
Ay, hon, that's your job. If you are the driver, you are the one doing it.
I figured you could at least open it while I was.
I did already. So
I know
what
that's
is that?
because I told you.
No, you didn't.
Oh yeah, okay. That's it. I'm gonna have my window open because I smoke, and you're gonna be bitching because it's windy and I got the window open.
Just wearing Tommy's sweater. I like the color, guys. So I'm going to wear this. So anyway, I will be right back and I will see you guys. I will see you guys later. Okay, watch out.
Where do you want to go?
Go over here and over there. That over there. Oh my god, it's like crazy rain. I cannot even film.
Oh, you could. You just don't want to.
I did film a little bit. If you will see that in the rain and wind at the same time. We cannot see nothing.
You can. It's funny.
Oh my god, we cannot see nothing. Look.
We gotta get out of here.
You're the one who's singing. You know the camera. You know the camera is on. Oh my god, hala. We're very far from the house, hon. I don't know pumpkin picking.
Pumpkin picking, pumpkin picking. Better than picking your nose.
Better than picking your nose.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Right.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Bring that one. I'll get my freaking. I get them now. Tignan nyo yung gwapong asawa ko, guys. Look how gwapo he is. Ah, hi, Gopito. Hi, Gopito. Okay, let's go in. Let's go in.
Up it, up it, up it. Little puppet-ups.
Singhan.
Huh?
Magluluto lang ako ng lumpia for Tommy. Lumpia. Well, for me too. So, lumpia. Ito yun. Do you like my lumpia?
Yep.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. See it, yeah, yeah, huh?
Air in here, guys?
Yeah. Can you say yeah, yeah, huh? Huh?
No peel.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Now you can get some nice breeze in your nose.
Han, come here.
Rocks.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Together.
Yeah, they're always like, sometimes they're just, the four of them line up over there. Come here.
Pia, pia, pia. You know, snack food
Yeah,
here.
this one is right here. Oh,
Yeah. It'll be like this.
ang cute na lubot sa akong bana. Nga pag-hirap ang lubot na. Let me see if meron. Because I saw one here. Or maybe I'm just imagining pasta. Yung spaghetti, pasta. I hope this is the spaghetti. Oh, this is the one you got, huh? Oh yeah, it's the linguine. Is that good? Even it's for the meat sauce? Only one. Hold on, let me look here. Oh, yay! We have, oh, this is linguine pini. The rain is crazy. The rain is crazy. You swallow it without even chewing it. You hear that?
Nice shorts. Nice hairnet. Yeah, what do I gotta do? Lunch late.
You eat your breakfast, right? You did?
Okay. This
You
is
did?
not food. Hey,
One of them did.
Only one left?
Keep scooping up. It's alright.
Oh, you don't even eat yours, mates.
Gosh, dang, your yellow car starts in front.
3:34 ng hapon. At ito, nagkakat ako kasi maaga akong magluluto. At ito yung meat sauce na sa freezer. Inano ko lang, iniinit. Okay guys, Tommy is reading all your comments from the reaction thing about the 90 days fiancé. Han, I like this color, Han.
Glad you like it.
It's mine now, Baba.
Go for it.
He said that go for it because he's in the camera, guys. But if he's not in the camera, he said, "You
Oh,
always stole my thing."
I go to the closet and show you all the stuff in the closet of yours that used to be mine once.
Yeah, no. But if he's not in the camera, he would say,
Yeah, that's not true. But I mean, some things.
"You steal my hat, hon."
Like I have one khaki green T-shirt that I like to have. One.
This is the only one you have.
Khaki green because I like the color goes with my khaki pants.
Yeah.
You take that one and like.
What
I
khaki?
like that one intentionally.
What khaki one?
It's a khaki. It's like an olivey green, like a drab,
Yeah.
like a drab green.
Which one is that?
No, one of the T-shirts.
This one?
No,
Slumdog Millionaire?
maybe.
Do you have another one of this, hon?
Yeah, but it was. It was a different.
This is the small size, and then you bring.
No, so that wasn't it. If it was a small size, that wasn't it. Like I like to keep a black hat because. If
You never.
I know, but when my hair's a mess, I'm gonna wear a hat. I put a black one on. I'm gonna put a red one or a purple one on.
Come. Oh my God, you tuloy. So look at this, ano? Look at over there. Look over there.
You little puppet. You little puppet.
We love her so much. Misty is just behind the chair, guys, hiding from us. I love her. She doesn't like to be touched, hon, in there.
I touch it.
She doesn't like to be touched.
Touch
Touch it, hon, touch it.
I touch it was.
She doesn't like
I touch it. I touch it.
Okay. The monkey is the monkey.
Extra turkey and ham and salami
Salami.
and supersad, pepperonis.
They're expensive.
They like steak and chicken.
They're pricey.
And if I should go out and get me a burger, I bring one back for them.
So I guess I have burger tomorrow. Yay!
Apparently so. 2.
Oh no, you don't need it, hon. We have so many, hon.
Hun? You like to grill all the time. I like to grill all the time.
We do both love grilling.
So, ideally, we like the food better that way. You want me to show you the video?
Yeah, but we're gonna do it inside. That means the freaking smoke is going to be in the inside.
Smokeless. You not listen very well.
Yeah, but how that is going to be smokeless?
Smokeless.
Yeah, smokeless my ass.
Okay.
Now it's going to probe everything, guys. Everything.
Oh, I saved it on a page so I can order it.
Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Where's my baby? Come here, baby. Come in yung baby niya. Ito yung baby ni mama. Oh, ito. Siyang love-love ni mama. Yung ito. Dami. I'm going to lock. Ilalak ko lang yung door. Para hindi si Dami maka. Dami. Ilalak. Hindi na siya ma-open. So, yeah. Tignan niyo. Oh, Dad is coming. Dad is coming. Oh, Dad. Tignan niyo. Dad is coming. Dad is coming. Tignan niyo. Oh, Dad is coming. Nakikinig siya, nakikinig. Tignan niyo yung ikog niya, guys. It's so nice. Tignan niyo. Where are you going? Roxy's dada's coming.
What? What is there a puppy up here? Poor Hobbs.
I love it.
Poor Hobbs. Come on, chase that poor little man. Leave him alone. I'm gonna sit on you. I'm gonna sit on you. Are you like somebody bigger than you comes and runs after you? It's all over you. It's squishing you.
Nagpalaban. Wala na, honey. Uy! It's so cute, Roxy. Look at that, honey. It's so hot right here. It's like, it's hot right here. He loves playing, hon. He loves it. What's your teeth? You're gonna be not another teeth. Allah! Don't do that to Humpty Bug! Don't do that to Humpty Bug, baby. She's so happy. She's so happy, honey. She's so happy. Look, 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 look. She's so, honey, what are you doing? Honey, that's hurt. That's hurt, baby. He's so happy. He's so happy. Allah, 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 don't do that to Dada Rose. Look at this. Allah. Allah is so happy to play with you. Hey, look. Oh my God, careful with your face, and because she jumped really fast. Oh, look at that. She's so happy. Allah, 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 oh my God, I'm telling you. Oh, what is it? What is it? Look at it. She fell.
Keep looking for you. Look, he gets attacked. Oh, leave him alone.
Dada's leaving us, Bug. Hi, Bug. Han, I don't see anything in his ear, Han.
There.
That's hello. Maybe this is from downstairs when I poured the freaking thing over there. When you do the pocket, when you pull the freaking wallet, be careful, because when you pull the wallet, that means you're gonna drag the other one.
Oh yeah.
No.
You just hold it.
I'm serious, big boy.
Oh, not far.
Well, you're the one who's driving. Who's guys? There's no guys in here.
You got diamond shirt on. Oh, you too.
Sabi pa ng asawa ko, dapat may cash ka. Dapat may cash daw ako sa sa wallet ko. Natawa ako kasi ayaw ko ng mga cash. Hindi ko naman ginagamit yung mga cash. Honest to goodness, yung mga cash na yan, hindi ko ginagamit kasi yung credit card ko yung ginagamit ko. So, ang nangyari, binigyan niya ako dito sa taas ng few cash. Maliit lang, guys, maliit lang para kung meron ba sa wallet. Kailangan niya ng cash kaysa sa akin kasi siya yung alis-alis. So ang nangyari, binigay ko ulit sa kanya. So doon sa sasakyan, may kinuha siya pero nilagay niya ulit doon sa sasakyan ko. And nilagay niya sa sasakyan ko at sabi niya, "You don't have your key with you, right?" "It's in the house." I said, "It's in the house, hon. Why?" He said, I'm just curious because I put it back to the cup over there, the holding cup over there. So yun ang reaction ko nung nakita niya ako sa sasakyan. Anyway, so I have to end this video and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night. Say good night, Dede. They're sad now because Dada left. Oh, didn't the play. What? Your playmate left? Bye! See you tomorrow! See you on my next vlog, guys. Bye-bye!
Ang pag-ibig na ganito, puro na lang sakit ng puso, ng puso. Yung katawan ko, nandun na sa gitna, nakabukaka.